I have the two smallest vehicles. So first, this one is also a house. It is the smallest house that I can build. That I could build. Oh yeah, here's the front view, side view, the other side. And the interior is just that. There's a little dude driving it, owl, cup, and a little plant there. Okay. Next, we have the smallest driving vehicle. That's your front view, and top, back, bottom, yep, and side of it. But yeah, two small vehicles. This one's a house as well, but up here, this massive thing is a Lego set, but on top of it is what I build. So here's where everyone is. It's kind of cool looking, but okay, let me take it off. Oh shoot, I accidentally dropped it. That's fine. So here's the living room. There's the TV, kind of hard to see. The sink, the couch, the bathroom. There's the toilets right there, the sinks right there, and then there's a bunch of people. Then the room where they sleep. But yeah, this is a pretty cool Lego set slash something that I built. Because the top of it, I built, but the rest of it is, an actual Lego set, so, yeah. And last but not least, is this massive, this huge Lego set that I built. It's not even a Lego set, I built it all by myself. But, here's the front of it. It's just like two drivers, the tiny bathroom, and here's like the kitchen area, or like where they eat. The tables are right there. Next up, here's a room where they watch TV, and here are the jail cells, which I am gonna take this wall off, these walls off, and then make it into one, room. And then I'm also gonna make this into a room, so all of this is gonna be out of here. Well, I think. Yeah. And then this is gonna be a dance floor. All of this. And then finally, the back where probably this might be a room, or just like where all the storage is. Might just like move all the storage out in here. But yeah, this is this crazy massive build. Let me get a top view of this. Yep. Front front and the bottom. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.